Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to secure your WordPress website and hide your WordPress login page from hackers. First, websites are hacked because of the lack of the security measures. Second, why websites are hacked. We can use the information to steal money from a bank, take over someone's social media account and post inappropriate messages, blackmail someone, visually change website to promote other service, usually something illegal, embed hidden links in a site which provide valuable backlinks to another site to help organic search performance, redirect traffic to other shop website. Data theft used attack servers later, file distribution to distribute files using the site. As we can see, a hacker can do all sorts of things with hacked information. So let's secure our WordPress website. At the moment, as you can see, I had just installed brand new WordPress site, and if I'm gonna copy my URL, going to the security site SecureNet, paste, scan, gonna take few seconds, and by the default your WordPress site is not secured, is quite on medium security risk. And as you can see, first thing is HTTP to HTTPS not found, and second is advising to enable directory listing protection. So let's go and fix it, all those things. We're coming back to our site, and then I just gonna go admin and enter, and there is our login page. Let's go and type username and password and press login, and we are in the dashboard. I'm gonna go quick and install new theme, add new. For this example, I'm gonna use Kadence Theme. I'm gonna press install, activate, install Kadence starter templates, and gonna pick this camping adventure await site. Not gonna go, you can change the colors, change the font. I just gonna go and install full site. Here, simple message, we basically letting you know what's gonna be installed, that Kadence block and WooCommerce and advanced settings, import customizer settings and import content, and subscribe and import. I'm gonna leave my email, just accept and subscribe and start importing. That's gonna take few minutes. The site had been finished, just go and preview the site. If I'm gonna scroll, as you can see, it's have a pages, have a blog, and you have a shop. It's all good. I just gonna go and gonna, let's say, rescan. And as you can see, even one extra thing, site issue detected, unable to scan the page. So let's go and fix all the issues. First, we're going to the dashboard, going to the plugins and add new. For this purpose, we're gonna use iThemes, and the first iThemes security. Press install now, activate. Go to the security and press setup. So first, setup page, and as you can see, e-commerce website to sell products or services already recommended, as I assume it's detected that it have the store, but then you can pick what website you are making. So for this example, I'm gonna go and pick recommended this one. And then for who you making, for client, I am making for client, or this is my own personal website. I'm gonna make this one for the client, let's say, and then you have to select the user. I'm gonna select admin user and press next. Which users will manage iThemes security on site? I'm gonna press admin, leave. If you want to have more users, then you need to go and add new user and then assign to that field. Should your clients be able to view and make changes to the iThemes security settings? Yes, allow if you trust them, but I probably leave off, as you as administrator would be able only to adjust security settings. Going next, and then select your customers, select the WordPress user roles they are assigned to. So subscriber, customer, shop manager, contributor, author, editor, let's say. Next, do you want to secure your customer accounts with the password policy? You can press yes if you want. Probably it's good practice would be enforced. This one as less trouble in the long run. And here you are in the futures. First, two factors. I would suggest to as well enable those two factors. Authorization for login and then lockouts. You can protect your site against randomly guessed login details and net brute force. That's good as well. Utilities detects the correct way to identify user IP address based on your server configuration. I'm gonna leave this off. Next, default or customs groups. Continue with the default groups. I'm gonna leave it as recommended. And then global, manage themes, password standards, two factors, skip users groups, configuration. I just gonna next skip everything in here. This is more advanced AP configuration. I'm gonna skip as well. Notification, you can enable notification and write your email. And then you will be notified anything happened for the website. Press continue and secure the site. That's gonna take few seconds and press finish. You can make any adjustment in the page settings, so just go back on the settings, and here if you don't like something you just can disable, let's say two-factor login security. So go to utilities and enforce SSL. That will enable all HTTP to direct to the HTTPS. Go to the advanced. In here is already all enabled. If you want you can disable PHP or with disable PHP plugins or themes if you have an issue, but should be alright. So let's save it, go back to here and let's rescan it. And as you can see is already low secure risk. Just one thing found it is with this site detect issue. So let's go and have a look what is the issue. We're going to the our visit site, finding this way shop warranty. If I press and you can see not found, the real address was not found for the server. Going the back, basically wrong link is. So let's go and customize. Going to the menus and custom link, and you can see here that's outdoor shop. Return back to the site, going to this returns, and we are here. But this page should be come straight away and show us like this. So still doesn't work as supposed to be. You just direct them. Go to edit page, press on the warranty program, go to the advanced HTML anchor and warranty. Add, and I just gonna update. Go back to the return, advance, return, update, and go to the shipping, advance, anchor, and shipping. Shipping update. Preview in a new tab. Now going to warranty, and you see straight away we on warranty. If I'm gonna go to return, it doesn't work. Returns, probably I made mistake. And shipping, yeah, we straight away in the shippings. So you can see this word and this. If you see returns, it's supposed to be on a page. So let's go and edit our page. I have a returns, and what I entered, you see I missed the letter S. So I just gonna enter, update, and then come here, press to returns. Probably need to refresh, and we straight away into returns. If I'm gonna come here, you see this one 404 is not good. Let's say sometimes you need to redirect to the other pages because that would increase SEO of your site. Let's go to the dashboard, plugins, add new, and search 404. Press enter. And I like this one. It's all 404 redirects to homepage broken images. I'm gonna install and activate. I'm gonna dismiss this message and let's go to this page and rescan. And as you can see, we fixed everything. Now is low security risk. Let's log out. Go to VP admin and try to log in. And you can see set up 2-factor login. So press continue. You can skip it, but press continue. And then you have a option, mobile application, email, and backup codes. I'm gonna go and copy those backup codes. Copy. And I paste those codes. Continue and enable. You can as well enable email and mobile app. Press OK. And then now saying check your email. And then you can see here login authorization code. Copy. You need to press continue and then continue, enable, continue, and authorization code. 2-factor setup complete. I'm gonna copy this password and update my password. It's all done, it has been updated, and I'm gonna press update. Next thing I wanted to show you how to hide this VP admin. If you're going to the security settings, go to advanced and hide backend. And we're gonna press hide backend. And here we're gonna change the URLs to camping. And I'm gonna to save. And then let's go and log out. And now if I'm gonna press VP login, I would direct straight away to my homepage as we're using 404 redirect plugin. So now if you want to log in, you need to use special word camping. We're gonna press, and here we go. We are in our WordPress login page. I'm gonna press login, and authorization code had been sent to my email. It's always going to the spam. You can click the button or you copy manually. I'm gonna click the button and we in our site. And we are in our dashboard. Last thing I'm gonna show, if you're going to the settings, tools, and that change admin user. To keep an admin as a user is not really probably good. So you can come and change to anything. Let's say the same camping, just run and updated admin username to camping. If you wanna change next time, you just come in here and changing it again. I would love to hear what you think about the content. Just drop the comment below and share your thoughts. If you get any benefits, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.